Consider the following set of numbers, which is this group right here. We're going to use this set of numbers to answer questions 75, 77, and 79. From this group of numbers, what we'd like to do is list which ones are rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers in which the decimal is a terminated decimal or a repeating decimal. Also, rational numbers can have integers, have whole numbers. So as we go through our list, we'll decide which ones are rational. Negative 83 is rational. It's an integer. Integers are rationals. Also, you can think of negative 83 as a terminated decimal. Negative 4.7 is a rational number. It's a terminated decimal. 0 is a rational number. It's an integer. It's a whole number. Integers, whole numbers are rational numbers. Also, 0 is considered a terminated decimal. Negative 5/9. If you were to change that into a decimal, it would be a repeating decimal. Therefore, it is a rational number. Pi. If you were to find the equivalent number to pi, you would find that it's 3.14 and the decimal continues on and there is no repeating decimal. Therefore, pi is not rational. It does not end, it does not repeat. Pi is not rational. Square root of 17. If we were to find the decimal value of square root of 17, once again, you would find that the decimal value is not repeating, not terminated. Therefore, it is not rational. Next number, 8.31. It is a terminated decimal. Therefore, it is rational. Next number, 62. 62 is a terminated decimal. It's an integer. Integers are rational numbers. Therefore, it is a rational number. So from this list, these are your rational numbers. Number 77 is asking you to go back to this list and write the integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Let's start with negative 83. Negative 83 is an integer. It's a negative whole number. Negative 4.7 is a decimal, therefore not an integer. 0 is a whole number, therefore it's an integer. Negative 5/9 is a fraction or a decimal value, therefore it's not an integer. Pi is a decimal value, therefore it's not an integer. Square root of 17 is a decimal value, therefore it's not an integer. 8.31 is a decimal, therefore it's not an integer. 62 is a positive whole number, therefore it is an integer. Number 75, real numbers. Real numbers is the set of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Well, we already know from number 75 the set of rational numbers, so we can rename rational numbers as real numbers. Well, from the set, we know that pi and the square root of 17 were not rational numbers. They were not integers. They are considered irrational numbers because they have decimal values which do not terminate, do not repeat. Therefore, we could also include them in your set of real numbers. Include the rational numbers, include the irrational numbers. Therefore, the answer to real numbers is the entire set of numbers. I'm just not writing the numbers. You can do that.